Let's learn the concluding sentence. Let's recall what the function of the concluding sentence is. It shows that the paragraph is ending and reminds the reader of the main idea. The main idea is in the topic sentence, right? There are 3 tips to help us write a good concluding sentence. Number 1, use conclusion signals to start a concluding sentence. You are going to learn 9 conclusion signals followed by a comma. In conclusion, exercise is important for a healthy life. In conclusion, comma, then you put a complete sentence after. In conclusion. To sum up, comma, students can improve their English through daily practice. Same thing, you put a complete sentence after to sum up. All in all, comma, traveling helps people learn about new cultures. In summary, comma, reading provides many benefits for learners. In short, comma, good time management leads to success. To conclude, comma, healthy eating improves overall well-being. In brief, comma, technology makes learning more convenient. To summarize, comma, regular practice helps students build strong skills. So you have to conclusion, to sum up, all in all, in summary, in short, to conclude, in brief, to summarize, indeed. So these are the 9 conclusion signals. You can tell that after each conclusion signals, you put comma, and after that you put a complete sentence. So I want you to check the 2 to sum up, to conclude, to summarize. Did you see the 2? After 2, you put a verb there. Sum up. To conclude, conclude is a verb. To summarize, summarize is a verb. And I also want you to check in conclusion, in summary, in short, in brief. So after in, you put a noun. In conclusion, conclusion is a noun. In summary, summary is a noun. In brief, brief is a noun. In short, but short is not a noun. Short is an adjective. So you need to get familiar with these 9 conclusion signals and use it in your writing when you write your concluding sentences. And each time you can choose a different conclusion signals to use, right? You should not always use just one, right? Use in conclusion, in conclusion, in conclusion. That is boring, right? So the first time use in conclusion, and the next time you can think about use a different one. You can think about use to summarize, or you can think about to use all in all, right? You can change to use to sum up, make it diverse or various unities. Concluding signals which are not followed by a comma. It is clear that exercise improves both physical and mental health. So we use that, and after that we put a complete sentence. These examples show that technology plays an important role in education. Same thing. After that, complete sentence. You can see that good habits help students' success. Same thing. After that, a complete sentence. So there are 3 conclusion signals which are not followed by comma. It is clear that these examples show that you can see that. The second tip is to repeat the topic sentence in different words or summarize the main points. Here are 2 methods to write the concluding sentence. Method 1 is to restate the controlling idea. For example, the topic sentence is some students feel stressed during exams. And your concluding sentence can be, indeed, many students experience pressure when taking important tests. This concluding sentence is a restate of the topic sentence, like rewrite it in different words, right? Like paraphrase. The second method to write a concluding sentence is to summarize the main points. Remember, the main points are within supporting sentences, right? For example, if your main points are health, mood, energy, then when you write your concluding sentence, you can just summarize these 3 main points. In short, exercise helps people stay healthy, feel happier, and have more energy. Stay healthy, this is health. Feel happier, this is mood. Have more energy, this is energy. So, this concluding sentence is summarizing the 3 main points. This is method 2. So, method 1 is you rewrite the topic sentence. Method 2 is to summarize the main points. And the third tip to write a good concluding sentence is you can add a final thought, suggestion, or prediction in your conclusion. Yes, you can do it, but do not introduce a new idea. Let's see one example. In conclusion, students should manage their time well. Technology is also very useful. Technology is also very useful. This is kind of like introducing a new topic. So this is not a good concluding sentence. In conclusion, students should plan their time carefully to succeed in school. This is good concluding sentence without introducing any new idea. Okay, let's summarize these 3 tips to write a good concluding sentence. First, remember to use conclusion signals to be a good writer, right? To be a considerate writer. When your author see your conclusion signals, then he can tell that, oh, this is the concluding sentence. 2. Repeat the topic sentence in different words or summarize the main points. So you can use 2 methods to write your concluding sentence. Number 1, rewrite your topic sentence, like paraphrase your topic sentence, right? Number 2, summarize the main points in your supporting sentences. And the third tip is don't introduce new or unrelated idea.